Okay, Hare Krishna. I welcome all of you. Let us start chanting. Just a second. All of you can repeat after me. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shri Advaita Gadadhara, Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda, Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda. Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare. So, Hare Krishna, we'll start with prayers. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjana-shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamhayyam Dadati Swapadantikam. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadhvaitam Savadutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhanvitamscha हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नमः ओम विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी निति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So Hare Krishna, we welcome you for chapter that is 13th chapter on our journey, and it's what we say a great fortune to be with all of you and to continue like this. Like first 6 chapter like Karma Yoga we have done, now Bhakti Yoga also 6 chapter are done. Now we are on the last padav. ठीक है, हमारे खेल का लास्ट पड़ाव शुरू है, that is the 6 chapters of Jnana Yoga. ठीक है, so before starting this, just like every time we will revive or revise the 12th chapter. So 12th chapter, the acronym was God, God, God. So G for Godhead. So worship of Krishna says worship of the personal feature,
is perfect. ठीक है, impersonal feature से ज़्यादा personal feature का Lord himself says that is better. An impersonal feature is very difficult to what we say to advance in that discipline, Krishna says, and it is dukkha. There is so much dukkha. Okay, there. Then options, Krishna gives options or gradations in bhakti. What are the gradations? If you can all the time remember me, Krishna says, then that is best. Mayi eva mana adatso, mayi buddhim niveshe. So your mind intelligence, if you can put me whole day, night, 24/7, whole for your life. Okay, if you can do that, then that is best. Okay, you are best situated by that. If you are not able to do that, then at least Krishna is telling, then do sadhana bhakti. So sadhana bhakti are all the spiritual activities which we saw: chanting, reading, hearing, okay, offering bhoga, worshipping. Worship today we are going to see, correct? At the end we will see. Yes. So these variety of things, what we say, all activities of devotional service, these activities we should do, they comprise of a sadhana of a devotee. They are all spiritual services. Then if we are not able to do that, then at least Krishna says, you work for me. So कैसा हो गया, जैसे हम we have fallen into a well. ठीक है, just as if we have fallen into a well. This is a well. This is a well and we are here and Krishna is here. ठीक है, कृष्णा इज पुटिंग अ रोप, इतना रोप ला लिया, बोला खींचो, चलो आ जाओ ऊपर. हम बोलेंगे अरे नहीं मेरा हाथ नहीं पहुंचता उतने ऊपर. देन कृष्णा बोले ठीक है मैं इसको और बढ़ाता हूँ, नेक्स्ट लेवल. हम बोलेंगे अबे मेरा हाथ अभी भी नहीं पूर रहा है, कृष्णा प्लीज नो गिव मी मोर, little bit more. Then Krishna says okay, take this. So Krishna is giving more and more options to us so that we can come out of this bodily platform, ठीक है, by worshipping him some or other. So karma yoga Krishna gives, and then at the end Krishna tells about that at least do some renunciation, do some meditation. ठीक है, वो बहुत लो लेवल पे बोला गया. ठीक है, at least do these three things are very important. Krishna told at least do this, that will be considered into devotional service. So if you are offering fruits of your work, that is considered in devotional service. ठीक है, if you are offering fruits of work to Krishna. Then devotee's disposition, there are qualities which Krishna tells, how my devotee deals with himself, how he sees himself, how he deals with others, and how he deals with the Lord. So those qualities Krishna told. In today's chapter also there are many qualities which will be discussed. Okay, so let's move ahead. The acronym of today's chapter is WISE, WISE. Again it starts with question of Arjun. Then Krishna tells the items of knowledge. Okay, we can say qualities, 20 qualities Krishna describes here. Wonderful verses 8 to 12. ठीक है, we can learn all these verses. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे qualities कृष्णा बता रहे हैं कि ये qualities जो है they are actual knowledge. Then Krishna tells about soul and super soul, and at the end enlightened person कैसा होता है उसके बारे में. So now here the questions which Arjun is asking, ठीक है, ये जो यहाँ पे जो टॉपिक चालू है, this topics right from 13th chapter to 17th chapter, they are considered to be in Jnana Yoga. So that does not mean that this Jnana Yoga is the yoga which was mentioned for Jnanis or for the impersonalists. Impersonalists also have Jnana Yoga, correct? So this yoga is conducive to bhakti. So sometimes devotees think, or the first thing which comes in mind when we say bhakti, so people say भक्ति यानी क्या है, सेंटिमेंटल, सेंटिमेंटलिज्म है. ठीक है, सेंटिमेंटल थोड़ा सा वर्शिप है वैसा. कर्म योग बोला तो वर्क करके है. ठीक है, अष्टांग योग बोला तो ओके योगा है, सम एक्टिविटीज आर देयर और ये सब चीजें है. ठीक है, बट भक्ति बोला तो पीपल फील देयर आर सेंटिमेंट्स, बट नो, ज्ञान इज इंक्लूडेड इन भक्ति. देयर आर टू चिल्ड्रन ऑफ भक्ति, इट इज सेड. ठीक है, भक्ति देवी जो है उनके दो चिल्ड्रन है. One is Gyan and another one is Vairagya. Okay? So that is knowledge and detachment. These two are children of Bhakti. So they are there in Bhakti also. So when we go through all these chapters, what will happen is our conception, our faith will become more and more fixed up by hearing all these chapters which are on Jnana level. So sometimes, many times, devotees find this chapter to be, some people, okay? Some people find these chapters to be very dry. Okay, in comparison to 9th chapter, 12th chapter where Krishna is opening his heart, telling about his devotee, मेरा devotee ऐसे ऐसे. So वो एक था, but in these chapters from 13 onwards, little bit dry one may feel, because there are philosophical aspects. But we will try to put as many as applications possible so that all of us can understand, implement these things. And till now whatever chapters have been done, these chapters what we are going to see, they will be elaboration of the same topics, but Arjun is asking those things for some technical details more. So we are going to see the technical details more. ठीक है, यही चीजों का technical detail. Now we have understood soul, we have understood prakriti little bit, and we have understood we have heard about the super soul or God also. But इनके interactions, कितना soul का कितना power है, ठीक है, how much what we say area the soul have, field of activity, how much soul has, how much the super soul has, ठीक है, this body has both soul and super soul. So who is what level, ये सब clarity details और ज्यादा है. So these all things will establish our firm faith, ठीक है, in bhakti. So very important chapters now, Jnana Yoga. So we'll start with the wise questions of Arjuna. Arjuna is asking, "Oh my dear Krishna, I wish to know about Prakriti, Purusha, the field, the knower of the field, and the knowledge and the object of knowledge." So कितने चीजें हो गए? 6 things Arjuna is asking, ठीक है? So क्या क्या? Which are the things? So he's asking in group. So 3 pairs he's asking, 3 pairs. First is Prakriti and Purush. Second is field and the knower of the field. And third is knowledge and the object of knowledge. So the verse goes, प्रकृति पुरुष चैव क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञम एव च एतद् विदितुम् इच्छामि ज्ञान ज्ञेय च केशव. ज्ञान ज्ञेय च केशव. So the questions Arjun is asking is some details of certain terms he is asking. So when Arjun is asking prakriti and purush, ठीक है, so Arjun is asking about the prakriti and who is purush. He wants to know that purush कौन है, controller कौन है, ठीक है. Then क्षेत्र क्षेत्रज्ञ, ठीक है, क्षेत्र क्या है, एरिया, एंड हु इज द कंट्रोलर ऑफ दैट एरिया. Then third is ज्ञान and ज्ञेय, what is knowledge, what is actual knowledge, and ज्ञेय means through that knowledge what is to be known, that is called ज्ञेय. So अर्जुन ने ये 6 terms पूछे हैं, and Lord immediately started answering in the next verse, second verse. Krishna says, "O son of Kunti, this body is called the field, and one who knows this body is called knower of the field." तो सबसे पहले कृष्णा चोज द सेकंड पार्ट टू बी आंसर, दैट इज क्षेत्र है क्षेत्रज्ञ. कृष्णा टोल्ड क्षेत्र यानी क्या है, क्षेत्र मींस द एरिया, ठीक है. सो आवर बॉडी इज कंसिडर्ड एज क्षेत्र, ठीक है, वो क्षेत्र है. एंड द नोअर ऑफ द फील्ड इज क्षेत्रज्ञ. सो हु इज द नोअर ऑफ द फील्ड. सो दीज आर द 6 सब्जेक्ट्स व्हिच अर्जुन आस्क्ड, ठीक है. प्रकृति, पुरुष, ज्ञान, ज्ञेय, एंड क्षेत्र एंड क्षेत्रज्ञ, ठीक है. सो वी विल सी द थिंग्स इन डिटेल नाउ. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ दिस ऑल थिंग्स, ठीक है. ये हमने आई हैव पुट लाइक these things are put here, all are here, although Krishna answers them throughout the chapter, ठीक है. सो एक बार स्टार्टिंग में सारे आंसर्स दे दिए अर्जुन के सारे क्वेश्चन के. सो फर्स्ट इज प्रकृति. प्रकृति इज द मटेरियल नेचर, ठीक है. पहला आंसर मिल गया अर्जुन के क्वेश्चन का, प्रकृति इज मटेरियल नेचर. सेकंड सुपर सोल, ठीक है. सो सुपर सोल इज कॉल्ड एज पुरुष, ठीक है. पुरुष इज सुपर सोल, दैट इज ये प्रकृति कौन एंजॉय कर सकता है. सो दैट इज मीन फॉर हुज एंजॉयमेंट, दैट इज सुपर सोल, ठीक है. पुरुष एंड प्रकृति. देन क्षेत्र, दिस बॉडी शरीरम इज क्षेत्र, एंड क्षेत्रज्ञ, हु इज द नोअर ऑफ दिस बॉडी. सो देयर आर टू, one is observer in the body is the soul, and another one is the super soul, ठीक है. But there is difference between the observer of the body and the knower of all the bodies. सोल भी है इस बॉडी में, ठीक है, वो एरिया सोल भी है, बट एट द सेम टाइम सुपर सोल आल्सो इज देयर, ठीक है. सो सुपर सोल is having control over the body, ठीक है. Soul is also minute controller. Actual body belongs to not soul, it is Prakriti who is providing it. Soul can just desire, हमने देखा है पहले भी, soul can just desire, but the body has been given by Prakriti to soul. Now if to explain with an example, the whole country actually belongs to whom? King, correct. So whole land of country belongs to king, but a farmer also is owner of the land, correct. So similarly all bodies, everything belongs to the super soul, correct, God. But ये जो बॉडी है, इस बॉडी का एक बेसिक छोटा मोटा क्षेत्रज्ञ कौन है, तो सोल भी है, ठीक है, सोल ऑल्सो इज क्षेत्रज्ञ ऑफ दिस बॉडी, बट द सुपर सोल इज एक्चुअली द main kshetrajna. Super soul actually knows all the bodies. See the soul which is in this body, okay? If you pinch, I will come to know the pain here. But if you pinch some other body, suppose your body, then my soul or myself, I will not come to know the pain you are feeling. Till the time you express it, you tell me, then I will come to know, correct? So we cannot actually experience others' pain. Why? Because the soul actually has control over only this body. ठीक है, so is क्षेत्रज्ञ of this body. Is my voice audible? Please write in the chat box. मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? और you can, अरे अरे क्या? Yes, आ रहा है. Okay. Shrikant ji, maybe there is some problem, internet problem or something like that. You can try to switch to some other place. Okay. Yes. Thank you. So that is क्षेत्र और क्षेत्रज्ञ, ये दो चीजें, ठीक है. ज्ञानम, what is actually ज्ञानम? So Krishna is telling ज्ञान क्या है? So understanding क्षेत्र और क्षेत्रज्ञ, इनको जानना, that is ज्ञान. And ज्ञेयम is the परमात्मा, ठीक है. What is to be known by ज्ञान, that is to परमात्मा. So ये डिटेल में हम लोग आगे देखने वाले, ठीक है. कृष्णा एक्सप्लेन्स नाउ द 24 एलिमेंट्स. आ गया टेक्निकल पार्ट. जिनको टेक्निकल, जो साइंस के स्टूडेंट नहीं है, जिनको टेक्निकल नहीं अच्छा लगता, प्लीज बेयर विथ मी फॉर सम टाइम, बिकॉज यहाँ टेक्निकल पार्ट है, ठीक है. So what our body is made up of, Krishna is saying. So it is made up of 24 elements. जो क्षेत्र जो है, अर्जुन जो पूछे ना क्षेत्र क्या है, so कृष्ण बता रहे हैं क्षेत्र is made up of this 24 elements. So क्या क्या है ये बॉडी का कंड. पहले तो हमने देखा था बॉडी है मटेरियल एलिमेंट्स, अर्थ, एयर, फायर, वाटर, इतर, ये सब देखा. अभी और डिटेल में जा रहे हैं, ठीक है, टेक्निकल और डिटेल में. So you can enjoy it at the same time. You can, if you think it is not useful, I will just chant Hare Krishna and I will offer bhoga to Lord. I will do some service to Krishna. That is also okay. Okay. But if you understand this, you will come to know that the body is material. ठीक है, मटेरियल एलिमेंट से बना हुआ है बॉडी, एंड सोल इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. देयर आर सम पीपल हु परफॉर्म सांख्य योगा, ठीक है, सांख्य योगा परफॉर्म, यानी क्या कहते हैं, दे गो थ्रू सांख्य योगा सिस्टम. सांख्य योगा सिस्टम क्या करता है पता है क्या? ये बॉडी 24 एलिमेंट से बना हुआ है, ठीक है. सांख्य योगा सिस्टम, हाउ इट कम्स टू द कंक्लूजन दैट सोल इज देयर. सो व्हाट दे डू इज दे से हेयर, ठीक है, ये हेयर है, हेयर की वजह से पूरा बॉडी सस्टेन कर रहा है क्या? हेयर को निकाल दे तो चलेगा? हाँ, यस, इट विल वर्क. ओके, रिमूव द हेयर, नो, देन हेयर इज नॉट द सोल. Then remove hands, legs, still the body is surviving. So there is something else. Some what thing is that? You know, एक आइटम को निकाल दो, फिर माइंड ने इंटेलिजेंस निकाल दिया, but still without that also there is something which is higher. So they remove all senses. They just come to the conclusion by removing all the things, not external removing, just removing the points. We can say removing the things, just coming to the conclusion that there is something which is beyond all these things. Beyond mind, intelligence, ego, earth, water, fire, air, ether, there is something beyond that, and thus they come to a conclusion that soul is there. This is called Sankhya Yoga, okay? But we are getting everything here, this knowledge, we don't need to go by that, okay? But still Krishna is explaining these things, so हमें वो knowledge मिल रहा है, we should take it. So primary elements and their sense objects, ठीक है, एलिमेंट्स एंड सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट. सो हमें अर्थ, एयर, फायर, वाटर, ईथर वो तो पता है, ठीक है. उनके सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है, which the soul actually comes into contact. So they are शब्द, रूप, रस, शब्द, रस, रूप, स्पर्श and गंध, ठीक है, in हिंदी. That is fragrance, taste, form, touch and sound, ठीक है. So earth फ्रेग्रेंस के थ्रू एक्सपीरियंस की जाती है, वाटर का टेस्ट होता है, फायर का फॉर्म होता है, एयर का टच सेंसेशन और स्काई का साउंड. अगर आपको नहीं समझ रहा होगा तो ज्यादा डिटेल में कोई जरूरत नहीं समझने की, ठीक है, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड. बट इनको बोला जाता है सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट, जो है सेंस जिसको परसीव करते, सेंस एंड सेंस का जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट परसीव करते हैं, तो कौन सा सेंस किसके थ्रू? तो फ्रेग्रेंस नोज के थ्रू, टेस्ट टंग के थ्रू, फॉर्म टच के थ्रू, ठीक है. सो फिर साउंड ईयर्स के थ्रू. सो ऑल आवर सेंसेस आर एंगेज्ड थ्रू दीज एलिमेंट्स. तो सेंसेस का वो एलिमेंट से कनेक्शन कैसे है? तो बीच में ये जो सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो है, जो फ्रेग्रेंस, शब्द, रूप, रस, स्पर्श, गंध, ये सबसे कनेक्शन है. सो ये 10 एलिमेंट्स हो गए, ठीक है. देन सटल एलिमेंट्स क्या है, माइंड, इंटेलिजेंस एंड फॉल्स ईगो, ये 3 हो गए. सो ये 10 + 3. देन देर आर सेंसेस, हमारे 5 सेंसेस है, ठीक है, आईज, नोज, ईयर, टंग एंड टच, दैट इज स्किन. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड एज नॉलेज एक्वायरिंग सेंसेस. So how many of them now? 5. कितना हो गया? 10 + 3 13 + 5 18. 18 हो गया. Now there are some 5 working senses. There are 5 working senses. ठीक है. What are they? These are ये legs हैं, legs, hands, throat, genitals and anus. So 5 knowledge acquiring senses है और 5 working senses. Knowledge acquire यानी जो बाहर वाले surroundings से knowledge ले रहे हैं, ठीक है. Working senses यानी जो enjoyment के लिए work कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. These are the 5 senses which are actually working in our body. So legs, hands, throat by which we can speak, genitals, ठीक है, for reproduction and anus. So ये working senses हो गए. So 5 + 5 कितना हो गया? 18 + 5 that is 23, correct. And we can say mind है यहाँ पे, mind. So ये कितना हो गया? ये 5 जो senses है इसमें एक mind को add कर दो, it becomes 24 elements. ठीक है. These are the 24 elements जिससे हमारी body बनी हुई है. ओके. सो दिस इज व्हाट अर्जुन के एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर है, जो क्या था? अर्जुन सेड व्हाट इज क्षेत्र. तो क्षेत्र को लॉर्ड ने एक्सप्लेन किया. सो वी आर सोल्स, ठीक है. सोल ये 24 एलिमेंट से खेलता है इस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड में, ठीक है. दिस 24 एलिमेंट्स आर देयर सराउंडिंग एंड विद दिस 24 एलिमेंट्स द सोल इज प्लेइंग, ठीक है. ये सब बनाया गया. ये सब क्यों बनाया गया? व्हाई ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर मेड? सो दैट ही गेट्स द फीलिंग ऑफ becoming God in this world, because he wants to enjoy, correct, separately from God. So he gets a feeling of experience of, having the what we say, experience that he is God. And now what happens is these elements they interact, ठीक है, with the material world. Material world में 3 modes of material nature है, जिसके बारे में हम कल देखने वाले, tomorrow we are going to see. So it interacts. So now इसको और डीप में अगर देखते हैं, so that is another. शिल प्रभुपाद also tells in the purport, ये चैप्टर का ये जो वर्स का जो पर्पट है, शिल प्रभुपाद tells कि if you want to read, there are other books also if you want to go deep into that, but basic हमें इतना पता चल रहा है. So this our senses, ठीक है, this earth पंच महाभूत, earth, air, fire, water, ether है. What they do is they experience along with the senses. जब वो क्या कहते हैं, they come in contact with the senses, then our senses they experience certain emotions, और वहां से emotions generate होते हैं, जैसे desire, ठीक है. Then there is hatred for something, then happiness, distress. ये सब उनके बीच का जो घर्षण है उससे प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. फ्रॉम दैट ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर गेटिंग प्रोड्यूस्ड. सो बहुत टेक्निकल डिटेल्स है, बट बेसिक हमें पता चल, इतना पता होना चाहिए कि ये 24 एलिमेंट्स और ये 24 एलिमेंट्स में सारी चीजें हो रही है, ठीक है. दैट इज द क्षेत्र. देन लेट अस मूव टू द क्षेत्रज्ञ, ठीक है. क्षेत्रज्ञ कौन कौन है? तो सोल एंड सुपर सोल, दिस टू आर क्षेत्रज्ञ. दैट इज द नोवर ऑफ द फील्ड. फील्ड तो हमने देख ली, बहुत बड़ी फील्ड है, 24 एलिमेंट्स की फील्ड है, 24 एलिमेंट्स की लैंड है, और उसके ऊपर अभी कौन, हु नोज that land or who is the controller? So there are 2, that is super soul and soul. The clarity which we get in Bhagavad Gita about this thing, you will not find anywhere else. That's why Bhagavad Gita is the first thing one should read, okay. That is the first thing we should read. Once we read Bhagavad Gita, then actually nothing else is to be known. हमारा बेसिक सब सेटिस्फाई हो जाता है. उसके बाद हम अगर भले ही हम कुछ और नहीं पढ़ते, दैट इज ऑल्सो ओके, बिकॉज बेसिक क्लियर हो जाता है. अदरवाइज some people just think soul to be whole and soul everything, and some people just think super soul to be everything, but there are 2 things are there, Krishna is telling, okay. Super soul, he is knower of all bodies, but I explained to you, I will not be able to understand your pain, so because I am soul. But super soul, Krishna knows everybody's body, what things are happening. Then soul is knower of only one body, this body, whatever he has. Super soul is supreme controller, supreme proprietor and supreme controller. Soul is secondary proprietor and controller. I gave example of king and farmer, ठीक है. तो किंग के भी कंट्रोल में है लैंड पूरा, बट एट द सेम टाइम फार्मर के केयर में भी दिया हुआ है, ठीक है. इनफॉलेबल एंड ऑलवेज सुपेरियर टू स्पिरिट सोल. सोल इज फैलेबल एंड ऑलवेज सबऑर्डिनेट, ठीक है. सो उनमें से प्रभु जी मेरा बॉडी तो मेरे कंट्रोल में है, सुपर सोल क्या करता है मेरे बॉडी में, व्हाट इट डज, एक्चुअली माय बॉडी इज इन माय कंट्रोल, आई एम द एक्चुअल कंट्रोलर ऑफ माय बॉडी. बट प्रभु, this is not correct. Each and every cell of our body, it is actually so complicated that whole full cities, एक सिटी भी ले लिया, सिटी का सारा इलेक्ट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर भी ले लिया हमने, दैट स्टिल जो इलेक्ट्रिकल क्या कहते हैं हमारे सेल के अंदर जो इलेक्ट्रिकल इम्पल्सेस जो सेंड होते हैं या सेल के अंदर जो एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, दे आर मच मोर डिफिकल्ट देन दैट. लाइक वी से द फूड विच इज मेड इन kitchens, ठीक है, kitchen, and food is made in the chloroplast within the cell. Both things are like we can say food is made at both the places, but one cell actually is doing so much. So पूरा सिटी भी हम कंपैरिजन में रख दे, सिटी के एक्टिविटीज और एक सेल के अंदर जो एक्टिविटीज होते हैं, बट स्टिल सेल के अंदर ज्यादा एक्टिविटीज होते हैं. सो मेनी एंजाइम, सो मेनी प्रोटीन्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड, ट्रांसलेशन, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, डीएनए, आरएनए, so many things are there. These all cell organelles you might have heard in your lower class, you might have studied. So एक सेल ऐसा होता है, there are trillions of cells, and how they are signaling, how they are doing all the things, we don't know how our heart is functioning, how our kidneys are working. So actually soul is just given some proprietorship related to whatever desires he have. He can just senses ke through he can just see the things, he can just try to enjoy, just feel like enjoying, feel that he is enjoying, and he can have some control basic. So actually the soul is not full controller. That's why kshetrajna are two, the soul and super soul, that we should know. Okay. Then field of activities, ठीक है, दोनों के activities. So ये सब as I told you, desire, hatred, happiness, distress, life symptoms, convictions. Conviction है, कॉन्शियसनेस है, ये सटल बॉडी से रिलेटेड आता है. व्हेन सटल बॉडी कम्स इनटू पिक्चर, माइंड, इंटेलिजेंस फॉल्स इगो. सो हम जो डिटर्मिनेशन से वी डू सम सर्टेन थिंग्स, इमोशनल क्वेश्चन है ना, हम बोलते हैं ना इमोशनल क्वेश्चन ऑफ अ पर्सन, somebody does something with lot of conviction, ठीक है, द फीलिंग्स ऑफ लव, ये सब जो सारी चीजें, तो ये सब माइंड, इंटेलिजेंस, ईगो के लेवल पे, ठीक है. बट डिजायर, हेट्रेड, हैप्पीनेस, डिस्ट्रेस, दीज आर लिटिल लोअर, ये फाइव सेंसेस और सेंस ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में आके ये होता है. सो दीज आर द फील्ड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज. सो सोल ये सारी चीजों से खेलता रहता है. फॉर अस वी मे नॉट बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग द डिटेल्स, बट when the soul actually deals with all the things, ये सब पैरामीटर्स होते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल, if you have seen the what you say plane, in the plane the driver's office, the pilot's place, where he actually has so many controllers. So I heard that there are more than 200 or 250 controllers for the fighter planes, but we ourselves, we can only see the plane is flying, but inside that pilot has to do so many things, temperature, ye wo, direction, whatever, what not, I also don't know, because so many fields are there, so many things. But out from outside we see that these things are happening. So soul actually has to deal, and this Krishna who has made the body, he only can give this knowledge, ठीक है, और कोई नहीं दे सकता. Scientist कितना भी सर फोड़ ले, but still they will not come to all this knowledge. So that's why it is deep knowledge, and that's why Vedic knowledge is actually full, वो incomplete नहीं है. So body, super soul and soul, ठीक है, these three, कृष्णा सेज इनका इंटरैक्शन, ठीक है, ये तीनों के बारे में जिसको पता है और इनके इंटरैक्शन के बारे में पता है, he is actual in knowledge, Krishna is telling. So our ego might get hurt that we may say, मैंने इतना जो पढ़ाई किया है वो नॉलेज नहीं है क्या, what I have studied, I have done PhD, I have done the PhD, I have done what we say, I have cracked CA exam, then I have done my MSc, and I have done MBA, and I have done whatever, what not. Krishna is telling that is not knowledge. What is knowledge is knowing soul, super soul and body, और इनका interaction जिसको पता है, that is knowledge. So I will just tell a small story. Once there was a person, क्या बोलेंगे हम उसको, एक intelligent scientist था. He went to a rural area and just for studying the area, how it is, what things are there, and then that scientist, so that scientist, he sat in a boat for crossing river, and there was a boatman. You might have heard this story, but still I will narrate here. So the boatman was sitting and the scientist was sitting. They were going in the river. Scientist just took out his laptop for working and he was doing certain things like that. Then that boatman, bichara rural person, pada hua nahi tha, not literate. That person said, "Babu, ab kya kar rahe? What you are doing?" So that scientist said, You don't know this? This is laptop. I am working. I am scientist. वो बोला what sci what it says scientist, you don't know scientist. अरे your 50% life is waste. उसको बोले तो वो बोटमैन बोलता है वो sorry हमको क्या पता, we I am illiterate man, I don't know, sorry बाबू. Okay, then they went little ahead. Then this boatman again asked, babu, what is your, like, what you have doing, what you have done in your life, how much, like, what things you do. So he said, Arey, I have studied a lot, I have done PhD. So the boatman said, what is PhD? You don't know PhD? Oh my god, you are 40 50 no, again your 25% more life is waste. I say, oh my god, I don't know, 25%, so kitna ho gaya, 75%. Then then he said again something he asked, then he said atomic physics, or what is atomic physics. So the boatman said, I don't know. So the scientist, oh, again your 10-20% more is lost, so approximately around 90% is lost, your life, no use. So that boatman said, oh, I don't know, I am illiterate, sorry. Then again they went ahead and there was a hole in the boat. Okay, there was a hole in the boat somehow, and water started entering into the boat. Now the boatman said, scientist Babu, do you know swimming? Scientist said, no, I don't know swimming, man. I am a company person and I am a businessman and I am at the same time scientist also, and I do all these things. How I will learn swimming? I don't know. So the boatman said, sorry, then your 100% life is waste now to that scientist. And then boatman jumped off, he swam, and this person, he drowned. Okay? So this is not true story, just a fiction, but we should understand our knowledge, what we have studied, this physics, chemistry, math, biology, accounts, economics, and all these things, they will not help us to get out of this body. Okay, this material body, which is made up of all these 24 elements. The knowledge of God actually will help us to go out of this body, get out of this cycle of birth and death. So that's why Krishna is telling here that what is actual knowledge? Body, soul, super soul. If you know about this, if you know about the interaction, then actual knowledge. Otherwise we see so many intellectual scientists and all these things, they commit suicides, they are frustrated in their life, they go to psychiatrists because they don't know why some things are happening in their life which actually they don't have any idea of. Correct? Yes, thank you. Okay. Okay. So now Krishna is telling what are the items of knowledge. ठीक है, तो अब वो हमारा science, commerce, all we can forget, and what Krishna is telling, what is actual knowledge. So this photo picture is of Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur, who is the guru of Srila Prabhupada, and here Srila Prabhupada is sitting here. ठीक है, Srila Prabhupada, Abhay Charan, his name was there, when he was around 26 years old. At that time, he met his spiritual master. So this picture, I just like this picture, so I just said. So items of knowledge, what are the items of knowledge Krishna is telling? So see, these are the items of knowledge. 20 qualities Krishna is telling of devotees. What are these 20 qualities? All of you can take screenshot again. Okay, 20 qualities, and meditate on these 20 qualities if you have time. First is humility, pridelessness, non-violence, tolerance, simplicity, approaching a bona fide spiritual master. ये सब intelligent person है, ठीक है, जिनको ये knowledge है. One is humble. कहाँ humble रहना है? Prideless नहीं होना चाहिए. Even if you have all the qualities in the world, most strong, most beautiful, most intelligent, whatever, but pride नहीं होना चाहिए. You should not have pride. ये actually knowledge है, ये quality है. Non-violence. Srila Prabhupada defines non-violence very wonderfully here. Srila Prabhupada said, what is non-violence? We may sometimes define non-violence as not killing somebody, correct? Or not harming somebody. But Srila Prabhupada says non-violence is also not giving spiritual knowledge to somebody. That is also non-violence. Violence. What is violence? Okay? So violence is killing somebody, harming somebody. That is violence. So Srila Prabhupada said, not giving spiritual knowledge to somebody is also violence. Why? Because the person, if he doesn't get spiritual knowledge, his whole life is getting wasted. He has to go into all 84 lakh species cycle. Okay, birth, death ke cycle mein. If he gives spiritual knowledge, then the person will actually get out of this birth and death cycle. So that giving spiritual knowledge is actually non-violence. And when I heard this definition of Srila Prabhupada, I was bold. Okay, out ho gaya main. I liked very much. Okay, what a pure devotee thinks. This is the thought process of a pure devotee. What is non-violence? Then tolerance. Tolerance one should have. Simplicity, approaching a spiritual master, cleanliness, steadiness. So you can just go through these verses from your from Bhagavad Gita 13.8 to 13.8 to 13.12, and you can also read the purport. Okay, purport. In purport, Srila Prabhupada explains each and every quality. Okay, each and every quality. So birth, the perpetuation of evil, birth, death, old age और disease, ये knowledge होना चाहिए कि birth, old age, disease, death ये सब होता रहता है. Detach होना चाहिए. Then freedom from entanglement with children, wife, home, and the rest. So sometimes somebody may say, some people, writers or commentators on Bhagavad Gita, they say, oh, Krishna is told here, see, one should give up family, children, home, wife, rest. Krishna has not told anything like that to give up. Krishna is telling one should not be entangled. Entangled means what? If a husband considers wife to be just for sexual pleasure, or we can say sex machine, okay, then that is entanglement. Then that is bad. If wife consider husbands to just somebody who is satisfying her desires, satisfies whatever he wants, even children they consider mother father like that, then that is actually problem. Then that is attachment, if somebody is attached in that sense. But for grahastha, okay, grahastha, see, ideal householder life. What is ideal householder life? Husband, wife, children, everybody should perform arti together, do jap, kirtan together, honor prasad together, read scriptures together. So they see each other, everybody as part of God, as soul, and this soul has to develop relationship towards God, and I also need to develop. So we will do that together. So the house becomes Vaikunta, and everybody is happy. That is actually real householder life. The entangled householder is called as Grahamedi. So there are two words. One is Grahastha and another one is Grihamedi. So here Krishna is referring to Grihamedi. Grihamedi is one who is attached to family and who just want to enjoy. That's why the family is with him. Tomorrow, if they are not satisfying, then he may switch to somebody else. Okay? That is called as Grahamedi. They only live together for the sense of sense enjoyment. That is what is Grahamedi. But Grahastha, their Graha, okay, Ghar itself is a temple. So they live together, but they have God in center. Husband has all the duties he performs. He has to take care of wife, he has to take care of children, and all the duties he does. But at the same time, he what we say, enlightens the family members, helps them to go up, gives the spiritual knowledge to children so that they don't become Rakshasas like Hiranyakashipu, Ravan. They don't become like that. Nowadays, we see so many of them are there outside. Okay? So we should give this knowledge of Krishna consciousness to everybody and practice the same with family. And if you inculcate these things, like everybody of us is a leader, correct? Mother, father, they are leaders for the children. So if we inculcate these spiritual qualities in our children, surely you will see peace, surely you will see happiness in the family. That will come. So it is said the family that dines together, correct? So if the family dines together, then they chant, they are happy together. I don't know, I'm not remembering. The family that chants together, it stays together. So that is very important part of a householder's life. So how to gain the knowledge? So primary quality, Krishna told that one should have ananya yogena. Krishna tells that constant and unalloyed devotion, Krishna tells one should have. And another essential qualities Krishna tells in the previous verses is that acharya upasanam, that is accept a bona fide spiritual master. These two qualities are very important. First primary is that constant unalloyed devotion for Krishna. Second, accepting a spiritual master. These two qualities are very important. And then other important qualities are humility, non-violence, self-control, and detachment from general mass of people. General mass of people who actually are heading towards hellish life, okay? Heading towards hell by just thinking about the body, satisfying the senses of the body. That this is called general mass of people. So one should detach oneself from such kind of people. Detach. So how to achieve these 20 qualities? That is first quality, primary quality we should know, that is the unalloyed devotional service to the Lord. Once Hanumanji was telling to the Vanaras, although Hanumanji is very advanced, but he is telling to Vanaras that he was telling that all of us are monkeys and we are not at all qualified to do anything for Lord Ram. Correct? We have so many bad qualities. We have no control. We have no control on our senses. Okay? We are not intelligent enough, but still, how we are able to do all these services for Lord Ram? because we have devotion for Lord Ram, and that's why we have developed all the good qualities, and thus Lord Ram could get the things done from all monkeys also. So if one takes to full Krishna consciousness, all the other mentioned qualities are automatically developed. There is a shloka that is yasyasti bhaktir bhagavate akinchana sarvair gunays tatra samasate sura. है ना? So all qualities come into the person who actually does yasyasti bhaktir bhagavate akinchana. So who worships, okay, bhakti, who does bhakti or who is attached to akinchana. Akinchana Krishna को बोलते हैं. One, he is like जो सबसे लोएस्ट है, ठीक है, जिसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, उसके जो है, ठीक है, that is called akinchana. So Krishna is akinchana. So one who worships akinchana, that person, in that person all the good qualities will manifest. That is told here. Just a second. Okay, yes. So if you just practice Krishna consciousness, if you develop attachment for Krishna, you will see all good qualities coming into you without specially endeavoring for them. Even one becomes beautiful, one becomes attractive, okay, if somebody practices spiritual life. Why? Because his body becomes temple of Krishna. Although he's black and ugly, but still people find him very attractive. People find him very attractive. People feel like being with him. That is the quality of devotional service. The devotee actually gets all qualities of suras. Suras means devtas. सब quality उसमें आ जाते हैं. So that is the glory of devotional service. ठीक है? Soul and super soul. About soul and super soul, Krishna tells. So soul, Krishna now explains about soul, and then it explains about super soul. So soul, I shall now Krishna says, I shall now explain the knowable, knowing which you will taste the eternal. Brahman, the spirit, beginningless and subordinate to me, lies beyond the cause and effect of the material world. So knowable क्या है? So knowable के बारे में बोला है, तो super soul के बारे में बोला है. Knowable, knowing which you will taste the eternal. Brahman, the spirit, beginningless and subordinate to me. So यहाँ पे this verse, some people say it is for it describes super soul, but some acharyas say that it describes who? It describes the what we say, just a second, the soul. How? So knowable, ठीक है, soul है, which जिसको जानने के बाद कृष्ण बोल रहे यू विल टेस्ट द इटर्नल, बिकॉज हम इस बॉडी में है, बॉडी टेम्पररी है, ठीक है, टिल द टाइम वी डोंट कम इन कॉन्टेक्ट विद समथिंग विच इज इटर्नल, till that time we don't know what is eternal. So when we come to soul platform, we understand what is eternal. Eternal kya hai? So if you understand that you are eternal, then you will not run for the petty things of this world. So Krishna is telling, when you know soul, then that means you will taste eternal. Soul को ब्रह्मन बोला गया है. Brahman word is also used for super soul. ठीक है, God के लिए, ब्रह्मन यहाँ soul के लिए. The spirit and a soul, beginningless and subordinate to me. From this we understand that this shloka speaks about soul. So it is beginningless and subordinate to me. It lies beyond the cause and effect of this material world. ये material world के ऊपर है soul. But just because it is attached to this material world, that's why the soul is suffering. Actually, soul eternal hai, correct? And soul is above the matter. Then how come matter is controlling the soul? How come soul is within the body? So there is example of once Ashtavakra Muni. Okay, he is what is a very great sage. He came to the assembly of Janak Maharaj, and he told to Janak Maharaj. Janak Maharaj asked him, "Oh sage, please tell me that how the soul, although it is above the material nature, although it is by minute controller of the nature, but how that soul gets trapped into this body, because matter cannot trap soul, correct? So how the soul is getting trapped in the body? I cannot understand, because soul can come anytime out of body. ठीक है, soul को matter से पकड़ के नहीं रख सकते. So then how soul is attached, how soul is within this body? So Ashtavakra Muni said, okay, come here, come with me. And then Ashtavakra Muni went to a pillar, okay, and he embraced that pillar like this, and just was saying, leave me, leave me, leave me, leave me. And he was holding the pillar, at the same time he was saying, leave me, leave me, leave me, leave me. Just a second. Oh, something fell down, sorry, something fell from her. So he said, leave me, leave me, leave me. And Janak Maharaj was telling Swamiji, why you are only holding it? Why you are telling leave me, leave me? So Janak, this Ashtavakra Muni said that, my dear sir, you might have got the answer. Actually, we are attached to this body. The soul is attached to this body. That's why the soul lives in the body. Otherwise, body does not have any power to control the soul, to trap it. But because the soul is attached to this body, we all can understand this. See, even the person who is very ugly looking, the person who is not having a leg or a hand or partially mutated, ठीक है, कोई भी problem हो सकता है, but still the person does not want to die. The soul does not want to leave that body. Soul wants to stay in that body. The person is attached. So we can understand why the soul would not leave that body also, because there is so much attachment to that body which is there. So Krishna is telling this thing. So ये soul के बारे में हो गया. Next श्लोका आगे है super soul के बारे में. So these are the things we saw. ठीक है. And now super soul. Krishna is telling about super soul. So super soul का ये जो श्लोका है बहुत important है. So he is telling the supreme truth exists outside and inside of all living beings. Super soul is outside as well as inside. Okay? The moving and non-moving, because he is subtle, he is beyond the power of material senses to see or to know. Although far away, he is also near to all. So ये सुन के ना बहुत सारे लोग भगवत गीता पढ़ना छोड़ देते हैं. When they read such kind of things, because they cannot understand on their own. This knowledge, when it is coming from parampara, coming from spiritual master, that's why we are able to understand. Otherwise, it is very difficult to understand. So super soul is very subtle. Subtle है तो इसीलिए उसको perceive नहीं कर सकते. जैसे we can say X-rays are very subtle, so we cannot perceive them with our eyes. Correct? So super soul is so subtle that it cannot be perceived by our senses. हमारे senses perceive नहीं कर सकते. Although far away, he is also near to all. Far away means what? You may say वो मेरे body में ही है, इसी body में. How it is far away? So soul is so much covered, ठीक है, so much covered with material body and so much attached to material body that super soul is very far away for him to reach to super soul. Like sometimes we have within our family we have fight with somebody and our what we say natures do not match, and sometimes some outside person we can develop a good relationship, although the person is nowhere in our blood relations, but still we can develop a good relationship. But we sometimes feel to develop relationship with the person who is staying with me, it is very difficult for me. Sometimes we feel like that. So this person who is although near but is very far away. So similarly, the super soul is very far away from the soul who wants to enjoy in this material world. He cannot hear the voice of super soul. So sometimes any problem, any wrong activity we do, sometimes we feel a guilt within our heart. That guilt is the voice of super soul. But if we go on doing that wrong activity daily, then what happens is we'll not hear the voice of that super soul. वो guilt आना कम होता जाए. Somebody drinks alcohol first time or smokes first time or does any criminal activity or bad activity, hurts somebody first time, he will surely feel guilt in his heart. That is the voice of super soul that you are engaging into wrong activities. Okay? But if he does not pay heed to it, okay, then what happens is he goes on doing that, then he will not hear the voice of super soul. Cover ho jata hai. And that's how we are so covered in our life and we are not able to hear the voice of super soul. Okay, so that is soul and super soul. So ये details से हमने जो देखा उसके, Krishna tells then who can know the soul and super soul? There's a field of activities, knowledge and knowable have been summarized by Krishna says, but only my devotees can understand this thoroughly and thus attain to my nature. तो कृष्ण यहाँ पे बता रहे हैं कि जो मेरे डिवोटी है वही इसको समझ सकता है. ठीक है, जो नॉन डिवोटी वो समझ नहीं सकता, बिकॉज फर्स्ट थिंग इज ही विल नॉट हैव फेथ इन सुपर सोल. ही विल नॉट हैव फेथ इन सुपर सोल. ही विल से दैट सोल आई एम ओनली गॉड. ठीक है, सो हम, यू माइट हैव हर्ड दिस स्टेटमेंट, सो हम, दैट आई एम. सो हम का मीनिंग क्या होता है पता है? दैट आई एम गॉड, ऐसा होता है उसका मीनिंग. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई डिवोटीज डोंट चैंट सोहम. ठीक है, they know soham का meaning actually. So in one sense it is true also because soul is part of God. ठीक है, but people chant it in other way. They say I am that. ठीक है. So soul is actually part of God, but it is minute part. But I am that, they mean that I am God. So there is no God. God is me. ऐसा बोलते हैं. They say like that. So that is wrong. So Krishna is telling only my devotees can understand this knowledge. And at the end, Krishna is telling about the enlightenment. So Krishna is telling who is the real enjoyer. कौन है real enjoyer? So क्वालिटीज ऑफ जीवा इस टॉपिक में, ठीक है, कृष्ण बताएंगे क्वालिटीज ऑफ जीवा, क्वालिटीज ऑफ मेटल नेचर, क्वालिटीज ऑफ सुपर सोल, रियलाइज्ड जीवा के क्या क्वालिटीज है, सोल के, ज्ञान चक्षु हम कैसे एक्वायर कर सकते हैं, और डेस्टिनेशन. अब दिस थिंग्स आर वेरी टेक्निकल. आई डोंट नो आप में से कितने लोगों को टेक्निकल चीजें पसंद है, मगर हम और डीप में जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, वी आर गोइंग डीपर इनटू इट नाउ. So the living entity in material nature thus follows the way of life, enjoying the three modes of nature. This is due to his association with that material nature. Thus he meets with good and evil among various species. By reading, I don't know how much you understood, but it tells that living entities in various species, it tries to enjoy under the effect of three modes. Three modes of material nature, I will not explain today. It is the topic of tomorrow's class. Whole chapter is based on that, and it is one of the most important thing we should know, that three modes of material nature. So tomorrow we'll discuss about that in detail, and I am sure that you will say, Prabhuji, thank you very much, I came to know about the three modes. And then you can analyze yourself, ठीक है, मेरे पे क्या act कर रहा है, how I am acting and how the modes are making me work. That will understand. So tomorrow, so soul is in this world trying to enjoy three modes, उसके ऊपर act करते हैं. ठीक है, these are qualities of जीवा, जो बताए है, बिगिनिंगलेस है, हार्ड स्ट्रगल फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस करता रहता है इस वर्ल्ड में, एंड मटेरियल नेचर के कांटेक्ट में आके फ्रस्ट्रेट होता है. ही ट्राइज टू एंजॉय बट ही गेट्स फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एवरी टाइम. he wants more enjoyment. He tries to enjoy it. Suppose you try to enjoy gulab jamun, you feel you are enjoying, but 2 4 5 8, and after that the same gulab jamun becomes misery. You cannot eat about 10 20. Somebody feeds you, nahi khana hi padega, then that is source of misery. So one becomes frustrated. Is there enjoyment in material nature or it is not? Okay, sense objects mein enjoyment hai ki nahi hai, then one person will understand that actually it is just on the level of mind I am thinking it is enjoyment, but actually there is no enjoyment which I can take out of material nature till the time I use material nature in service of God. If I use in service of God, then I understand, then I'm getting happiness. Otherwise, if I try to enjoy, that is just a pleasure which is coming out of our mind. We just think that it is pleasurable, but that is not pleasure. Then qualities of material nature Krishna is explaining. हम लोग बहुत क्या कहते हैं उसको फोकस्ड वे में देख रहे हैं, बेसिक जो चीजें इंपॉर्टेंट कृष्णा जो बोले हैं. ठीक है, मटेरियल नेचर भी बिगिनिंगलेस है, टेम्पररी मैनिफेस्टेशन है. मैनिफेस्ट होता है, मटेरियल नेचर बनता है, फिर अनमैनिफेस्ट हो जाता है, फिर से बनता है, फिर अनमैनिफेस्ट होता है. लाइक द चिल्ड्रन दे समटाइम्स बिल्ड कैसल्स ऑन द बीच, है ना, सी बीच पे कैसल बनाते हैं, फिर वो क्या हो जाता है, पानी आता है, फिर से चला जाता है अगेन. एंड so material nature is temporary manifestation. So whatever you are seeing around you, all these things are temporary manifestations. Okay, they are not permanent. Material nature keeps on transforming. It provides residential quarters to जीवा. जीवा को रेसिडेंशियल क्वार्टर प्रोवाइड करता है. ये हमारा बॉडी भी है, एक रेसिडेंशियल क्वार्टर है जो चेंज होता रहता है. So प्राउड नहीं होना है. टुडे वी हैव वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बॉडी, टुमारो wrinkles will come on this body. ठीक है, this body will become old. Some parts of this body will not work. The joints will pain. Eyes, you will not be able to see the things properly. Hairs, they will become white. So we should understand your body temporary hai. ठीक है, don't decorate this body just for showing that I am very beautiful, showing that I am very strong, showing that I am very intelligent. Just don't use this body, because tomorrow the same thing may not be there. May not be 100%, it will not be there. There are many people, many what we say, this bodybuilders. Okay, bodybuilders, I won't take names of them, those people, but they have given whole their full life just for building very huge bicep, tricep and muscles and all those things, and they showed it to people, and they got a lot of what we say, name, fame for that and everything, and there was no God in picture in their life. Okay, now what happens is, when they now became old, they are still trying to go to gym. but they will not be able to pull not even 5 to 10 kgs. They will be able to pull. Earlier the person was pulling 100 kg, 200 kgs, but now he is not even able to pull 5 to 10 kgs. That is not possible. मसल्स, इफ यू सी मसल्स, क्या हो रहा है, मसल ऐसा ढीला हो गया पूरा, वो लटक रहे मसल्स. पहले कैसा था, मसल्स ऐसे बाइसेप ट्राइसेप पूरा पैक था. यू कैन चेक आउट ऑन इंटरनेट, ठीक है, चेक आउट आर्नोल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर, उनका बॉडी चेक आउट, यू कैन चेक आउट नाउ ही इज ओल्ड, हाउ ही लुक्स लाइक. सो body is temporary. If we want to give time to body, just give time to body so that it can remain healthy, so that we can practice spiritual life. Yes, we should give time to body, we should exercise, but whole life giving to just only body and not taking care of soul, that is like taking care of cage but not taking care of the bird inside, then that is wrong. So that we should not do. So material nature is providing out this residential quarter. So ये क्वार्टर को साफ साफ रखना है, अच्छा रखना है, क्वार्टर को, क्वार्टर में रहना है हमें. बट सिर्फ क्वार्टर को ही साफ करने में दिन जिंदगी चली गई, हमारा खुद का खाना नहीं खाए, देन वी विल डाई. सिमिलरली सोल के बारे में भी सोचना चाहिए. सो अगेन अनदर थिंग, इट कंट्रोल्स जीवा. मटेरियल नेचर कंट्रोल्स द जीवा बाय 3 मोड्स, जिसके बारे में हमें पता नहीं अभी. टुमारोज क्लास वी विल कम टू नो अबाउट द 3 मोड्स. सुपर सोल के बारे में क्या बोलते हैं कृष्णा? कृष्णा टेल्स उपदेशन उपदेशन उपदेश उपदृष्टा अनुमंता, क्षप्ता क्षिप्ता आता पे. सो उपदृष्टा अनुमंता, ठीक है, ही उपदृष्टा, ही सीज, ही इज विटनेस ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट यू डू. आप कुछ भी करते हैं, सुपर सोल नोट्स डाउन इन द डायरी. सुपर सोल के पास सब रिकॉर्ड है. एवरी डिजायर, एवरी थॉट, एवरीथिंग यू वांट टू डू, ऑल डिजायर्स, एवरीथिंग इज रिकॉर्ड. ही इज विटनेस एंड अनुमंता, ही परमिट्स आल्सो, ठीक है, he permits what thing you can do, what thing you cannot do. If you want to kill somebody, if his permission is there, then only you can kill. If you want to, because why he will permit, because the other person also has to be killed now, uska bhi time aa gaya, see like that, or you need to suffer, okay, that's why. So super soul actually permits the things. If you want to eat something, super soul permits, prakriti provides. This we have seen in our 5th chapter mein dekha tha humne, hai na. Then super soul is the proprietor of our body, proprietor of this whole world, and he is the transcendental enjoyer. ट्रांसेंडेंटल एंजॉयर, हमारे जैसा नहीं, ठीक है, हम लोअर एंजॉय में, हम सेंस ग्रेटिफायर है, हम सेंस के थ्रू एंजॉय करने का ट्राई करते, बट ही एंजॉयज थ्रू हिज ट्रांसेंडेंटल सेंसेस, ठीक है. सो सुपर सोल, सोल, डिजायर, नेचर, बॉडी. जस्ट थिंक, एक मिनट. Okay. So we'll take questions at the end. Very good questions. Okay. Okay, so super soul, ठीक है, super soul सब चीजों को satisfy करते हैं. देखिए soul can only desire, ठीक है, his desire goes to nature को super soul बोलता है. super soul is also seeing the desire. super soul also has control over soul, ठीक है, control means उसको एक body से दूसरे body में डालते हैं, ठीक है, super soul does according to karma. And super soul also has the control on the body. nature provides the body by which the soul can enjoy. So you can see super soul is actually providing everything, ठीक है, super soul is having control over all the things. And what is the problem here? Problem is this is the problem. इसकी वजह से ये पूरा पिक्चर तैयार होता है. ये पिक्चर है ना सब डिजायर की वजह से. Suppose the soul's desire is to serve super soul, then what will happen is only this thing remains. What will remain? Soul and super soul, we and Krishna. And then what is the need of body then? Correct, what is the need of body? Why body is needed? Because soul desires to enjoy for himself. But if soul's desire gets transferred towards Krishna, then there is no need of this body. Very simple, correct? So that's why when we actually love Krishna and we make Krishna as the aim of our life, okay, then we don't need this body. And that's why at the time of death, this will give up this body and we don't get another body like dogs, hogs or camels, asses. ये सब body हमें नहीं मिलता है, ठीक. One goes back to Krishna. So the realized jiva, पहला वाला जीवा कौन सा था? वो entangled वाला जीवा था, attached to body. Realized जीवा क्या है? What living entity realizes when enlightened with knowledge? Realized जीवा क्या होता है, ठीक है, उसको क्या लगता है? What he realizes actually, he can distinguish between spirit and matter, ठीक है. He sees indestructible super soul as companion and he knows that I am not the doer. ये उसको पता चलता है. रियलाइज्ड जीवा का ये क्वालिटी है. सो द सोल who is realized of his position as a soul, he can distinguish between matter and spirit. उसमें distinguish कर सकते वो, soul है, ये body है, body के need अलग है, soul के need अलग है, ठीक है. He sees the indestructible super soul as companion. He all the time has super soul as companion. That's why he takes guidance from super soul, ठीक है. He doesn't take guidance from mind, ego, false ego, ये सबसे guidance नहीं लेता है. His guide is, guys, super soul becomes his guide, and he understands that he is non-doer, ठीक है. He is not the exact doer. Okay. Then Jnana Chakshu we get. Krishna tells that if you know this knowledge, then you get Jnana Chakshu. So Charma Chakshu होते हैं हमारे, ठीक है. Jnana Chakshu. So Jnana Chakshu से क्या होता है? We actually can see whatever in the existence. हम देख सकते हैं चीजों को existence में जो है as it is. Otherwise, what we are seeing is something else only. ठीक है. ज्ञान चक्षु से हमें क्या है? So we get knowledge about, by gaining knowledge about constituents of the body, difference between body and soul, ये सब चीजें हमें पता चल जाती है. We can see everybody with equal vision. All the living entities we can see with equal vision, and not just our family members, not just the people who like me, who, what we say, help me in the things which I want. Not just those people, every person, each and every person, each and every organism, one can see with equal vision. And such kind of person who gets his Jnana Chakshu, he has control over mind and senses. Okay, one who gets the knowledge, he gets this Jnana Chakshu, and Jnana Chakshu means to see with the eyes of knowledge, and such kind of person gets control over mind and senses. And what is the destination of such kind of person? This is last shloka. Those who see with the eyes of knowledge the difference between body and the knower of the body, है ना. क्षेत्र and क्षेत्रज्ञ, जो नॉलेज के आईज से क्षेत्र और क्षेत्रज्ञ को देखते हैं, दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ लिबरेशन फ्रॉम बॉन्डेज ऑफ मटेरियल नेचर एंड अटेन द सुप्रीम गोल. यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर कंक्लूड हुआ है, ठीक है. सो वी स्टार्टेड विथ द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ अर्जुन, ठीक है. सोल सुपर सोल में डिफरेंस ये क्या है? 6 आइटम्स है ना. अर्जुना क्षेत्र, क्षेत्रज्ञ, प्रकृति, पुरुष क्या है? नॉलेज एंड द नोअर ऑफ द नॉलेज, ठीक है. व्हाट इज टू बी नोन फ्रॉम द नॉलेज. So Prakriti Purush, Prakriti is the nature, Purush is the super soul, okay, God. Then Krishna tells Kshetra and Kshetrajna. What is Kshetra? Kshetra is the field of activity, and Kshetrajna is soul as well as super soul. ये दो है इस field of activities में, ठीक है. Then Jnana and Gaya. So Krishna tells these 20 qualities are actually Jnana, and what you should do is by all these qualities, not gratify your senses, but try to understand the super soul, Gaya. If you understand this, then actually you will liberate from this material world. Items of the knowledge, this Krishna tells the items, qualities जो है 8 to 12. As a homework you can read out them today, tomorrow, whatever the time possible. And then super soul और soul के बारे में details, ठीक है. Krishna tells about attributes of soul, attribute of super soul. Then enlightenment, that is jiva, realized jiva, material nature, super soul, ये सब के बारे में Krishna tells how we acquire Jnana Chakshu by knowing all these things, and then destination is the supreme goal. We reach to Krishna. Okay. So chapter is over. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So yes, actually we are late today. Okay, we are little late today. I thought it will get over early, but somehow बहुत आगे चले गए. We will shift this deity worship thing tomorrow. ठीक है, tomorrow we will first start with that. Okay, and then we will do. So first thing, I will just answer small questions. Yes. So Rekha, film star Rekha, or whoever, you know, they may be looking young, or you know, we may find that they are quite young now also. They look, although they are 60s 70s, but they look like 30s or 20s or whatever. But we should just wait and watch how this is just external makeup, as somebody has answered, external makeup by which it may feel like that, but just without makeup you try to see them. Many people cry when they see themselves, these film stars, because they have given whole life serving this body, doing makeup and doing various hairstyles and all these things. They have given whole life for that, and when they see wrinkles are coming on their body, when they see their hairs are becoming gray and bodily strength is going down, then at that time they actually cry. One woman, one Hollywood actress, Marlene Mero, I'm not remember her name, Marlene Monroe. Marlene Monroe. She committed suicide when she saw that her hairs are growing gray and she's wrinkles are coming on her body. So she committed suicide. So it is just temporary thing. Eyes को धोखा देने वाला है. In TV we see. If you see personally, you will understand. Yes, Mataji, it is very wonderful if you have baby idol of Krishna with butter. Yes, anything. Krishna is there, no problem. You can worship. That is great. Yes. Okay. I don't know. That is some surgeries also they do. Many people they do surgery for skin straightening and all these things. They straighten the skin, whatever they do. I don't know. But there is just temporary. Death can come at any time and everything will be lost. This is like decorating the dead body. डेड बॉडी है, डेड बॉडी को डेकोरेट करके क्या फायदा है, कितना भी करो, डेड बॉडी इज डेड बॉडी, वो रेसिप्रोकेट नहीं करने वाला है, वो मैटर है. सिमिलरली आवर बॉडी इज लाइक दैट. just this skin nikal, if you just remove the skin, what you see inside is very horrible within our body. We can see how much our body is horrible from inside, from the things which come out of the holes of every part of our body, like nose, mouth. If we don't brush our mouth, it stinks like anything, correct? Anus is there, ears, wax is coming. So all these bad things are coming, so we can understand what all things are there within our body. ये bag of flesh है, flesh, mucus, pus, ये सब चीजें इस body में है. Why to actually maintain this body to such an extent? Just maintain it. Why to decorate this body like these actresses and heroes and they do? We should try to understand that that is not the ultimate aim of our life, because it ends. Like mother is telling, she's getting all attention. Yes, she's getting attention, but it ends now. This attention will not go into next life, and what this attention will take us to, that we have to see. What is the aim of life? Soul को attention मिल के क्या हो रहा है? What is she getting? उसका age कम हो रहा है क्या? Age कम हो रहा है क्या? Will she not die? If she gets attention, will she not die? Will she not become old? Will she not get diseases? ठीक है? We should actually go inside, not outside. Actually, sometimes what happens is the things related to body, they become so important for us that all our thought processes are from that direction only. ठीक है? Body के एंगल से ही हम देखते हैं सारी चीजें. But when we see on the platform of soul, all these things become meaningless to us. Yes, correct. No problem, Aditya. Your queries are good. No problem. Yes, Mataji, Sauropro answered, that is perfect answer. Okay, is it okay to chant without beads? Actually, we should chant on beads. Okay, if you have beads, that is good. Any bead will work, no problem. Or if you don't have, you just message me or message on the group. We will send it to your home, no problem. Just some devotees, they message me that they have personally gone to temple and they have brought many books and other things. So like that also some of them are doing books or beads bhi la rahe. If you stay in Pune, you can go to temple and you can bring also. Otherwise, you can just tell me, we will send also, no problem. Okay, so it's too late now. Yes, very nice, Satyam ji. Satyam Prabhu told that mental peace, okay, that is actually when we are on the level of soul, then actually we are peaceful, we are happy. Otherwise, on the body level, there is all the time frustration, comparison, person starts criticizing everybody and all these things. Yes, Bal Krishna idol is also okay, Mataji. Yes. Okay, so we will end here. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.